Connect. Trying to connect again. See if that works. All right. Checking network requirements. Oh, I'm connected. Let me get on my other computer. Hang on, this is going to be weird. I'm going to have a weird feedback here, guys. I think I connected. Oh, I'm in. Okay, I'm going to go on my other computer. We're going to have crazy feedback. Get ready to cover your ears. Get ready to cover your ears, guys. I'm going to look at you with two computers. Here he comes. Okay. This call's being recorded. Okay, here we go. It's... Okay. Hey, this is annoying. Feedback. Bye. Go. Get out.
What?
I'm muted. Okay, there. Rosie Serrato, can you hear me now? Sorry, I didn't know I was muted. Rosie, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, Rosie, what does the word linear sound like to you?
I don't know.
Linear.
Line?
Yeah, very perfect. Okay, so number 7, and all these ones here ask us determine whether the graph represents a linear or nonlinear function. Okay, Rosie, even though we're not supposed to do 5, do you think this looks linear or nonlinear?
Nonlinear?
Very good. How about this one, Rosie? Linear or nonlinear? Number 6.
Linear.
Very good. Now 7 is what we're supposed to do, so 7 is linear. So you guys just say 7 is linear. Okay, so let's do 7, skip 9, go to 11. Okay, so now 11. Determine whether this is linear or nonlinear function, okay? So how do we tell if it's linear or not? Let's graph it. And we can graph it and see. If it makes a line, then it's linear. If it doesn't, unfortunately, I don't have graph paper here, so hopefully I can figure out how to make it without graph paper. But we'll just estimate it, okay? It's just one of those days. We'll just work with what we got. Okay, so here we go. Can you So I'm drawing a picture here. You guys probably can't see what I'm doing here, but I have here a table. I'll make the table over here. I'm making the table X, Y. You guys make the graph. You don't have to make the table if you don't want. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, here's how you can tell if it's linear. Now, if you look at this, first of all, we can graph it, but I can tell without graphing it that this is linear. Here's how I can tell. First, all of these, can you guys see my board? Edith, can you see my board?
Yes.
Okay, Edith, what are all these like 5 to 10? What are all these 10 to 15? What are all these increasing by?
5.
So this is +5. This is also +5. This is all +5. They're all +5. I'm not even going to graph this. Let's see. How about this? Noel, what are all these increasing by? From 1 to 2 to 3 to 4.
1.
They're just increasing by 1. Now, if all of these are the same and all of these are the same, they are linear. Okay? So let's start at 5. All right, Edith. Well, it's okay. We'll just start where I started. It's okay. Then do 9. Well, I'll catch up. We'll just do this one, Edith, and then we'll tell me what to do next. Okay. Thank you, Edith. But so these are linear because see how these are the same, and these are increasing by the same. If they're the same, it's going to be linear. Okay. Now we could graph it, but these are going to be big numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's increase these. This will be 5, 10, 15. You can also graph it. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, and 4, 20. And it makes a line. But the main thing is, if you add them up and these are the same and these are the same, it is linear. Okay? Edith. Wait, are there any questions on that before I go to Edith? Edith will help me figure out what I was supposed to do. So it's 5. Okay, I'm going to erase this in 10 seconds, and then I'm going to talk to Edith. Hey, Edith, help me figure out what we're supposed to be doing here. We're supposed to start on 5. I thought it was 3 for some reason. So
No, we're supposed to start 5.
5, 9, skip 11. Okay, well, line 9 is not linear. That is not linear. It does not make a line. So then we should be on 13 then. Let's check it out. So is this linear? Let's look at 13, okay? I'm just going to do the table. I think it would be good if we do this. 13. Thank you, Edith. So we have here 13. Okay. Doing my chart, X, Y. So you guys draw the chart too. 4, 8, 12, 16. And then we have here 16, 12, 7, 1. Okay, so let's see if this is linear. Okay, so let's see here. Where'd you guys go? You're right here. All right. So these are increasing by 4. Now, are these the same too? These are decreased. This one decreases by 4. This one decreases by 5. This one decreases by 6. Okay, what do you think? Is that linear? Devin, what do you think? Is that linear or not?
It is.
Okay. Try again.
It isn't.
Very good. Devin is right because Devin, do you see how these are the same?
Wait, see how what's the same?
See how these numbers are the same?
Yeah, they're
They're-
adding by 4.
But are these the same?
No.
So it's not linear. They're different.
Wait,
Okay.
so to be linear, it has to be in a straight line, like it can't go all over the place.
Yes. Has to be straight forever. Straight forever. Okay. Are there any questions on that? 13. And okay, that was 13. So we're supposed to go to 33, but we could probably continue this tomorrow. 13. It comes after 13. 13, 15. Let's go to 17. Okay, determine whether the equation represents linear or nonlinear. Okay, so this is easy. It is linear if it has only an x. Okay? If it has an x squared, it is not linear. X squared is not linear. This has an x, it's linear. So 17 is no, it is not linear. Has an x squared, not linear. Okay? Skip this one. Go to 21. Okay. Notice how it has just an x. There's only one x there. So if there's only one x, what do you think? Is that linear or not linear? We're on 21. Here, let me write it down. I'll write it on my board so you guys can see it. We have here 2 plus 1 6y equals 3x plus 4. Looks ugly, but what do you think? Which one, Angelina? Do we have to graph which one? I just saw your chat. You don't have to graph this one. You just have to look at it, if that's the one you're referring to, Angelina. All right. Angelina Louis was asking that. Let's go with Quinlan. Does this look linear to you? You don't have to graph it. I don't know if you heard what I said with determined it's linear or not. You can't see the screen? Okay. Well, I'll wait until let me know when you can see it. Angelina, can you talk at all, or you could just write to me? Oh, you guys can't see it? Let's see. I can see some of you actually looking. Noel, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So some of you are having Angelina Rodriguez, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
All right. Quinlan, are you there? Quinlan! I see your name in the thing, but you're not responding. Let's see. Is Quinlan just not even his... Okay, Quinlan, hey, what do you think? Is this linear or not? Yes or no? Just yes or no?
Sorry. I can't see it.
You can't see it? What do you
Wait,
see?
let me pin you somewhere.
Are you making me as big as... Are you pinning me?
Oh, I can see. All right.
Okay, cool. Hey, do you think this is linear or not?
I say it is.
It is. Now let me put this up here so you guys can see. If I had a different color, where's my other color pen? Okay, here's a linear function. Linear function. Quinlan, can you see this? Has, okay, has only one x. Okay? A linear function. Does this have one x on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so not linear would have like x squared, or it'd have x times x, 2x's, or it would have x absolute value, or it'd have x cubed, or it'd have square root of x. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Nonlinear just has only one x. Or I can add x's if I say 3x plus 4x. If you add the x's or subtract the x's, that works. So linear just has an x, or if you add the x's. But nonlinear is if I square it, cube it, multiply it, absolute value it, square root it, anything besides just adding x. I'm trying to think of any others, like x to the 5th, any other exponent, x to the 5th, x to the 10th, any exponent with x, okay? Or even if I have 9 to the x, if I have 9 raised to the x power, that would also not be linear. So if it's just an x, you only see one x, boom, linear, okay?
Yep.
So now if you look at this one, 21, 23, 25, like, I mean, all of these, like, I feel like I should show you guys, because we're only doing a couple here. I feel like I should have you do more. But, like, look here. Rosa Balderas? Rosa? Rosa, are you there? Uh-oh. I lost Rosa. Rosa Balderas? Okay, Rosa, I got to pin you. I got to see. Are you there? Rosa Balderas? Rosa! That's weird. Rosa! You sent me an email. Okay, I haven't read it yet. Okay, I'll read the email. Okay, thanks, Rosa. Let's see. Olivia.
Yes.
Okay, hey, look at this. So did you see my little thing here on the board that says what's a linear function and what's not? Did you see
Yes.
that, Olivia?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, I want you to tell me if you think these are linear functions, okay? And then we'll be done with this, guys. We'll stop here. Okay, so after I know that you guys understand this. So Olivia, number 17, is this, see, let me zoom it. You see it? Is this linear, do you think?
No,
Correct. Why?
because of the x squared.
Yes, very good. Okay, so then calling someone else. Here we go. Let's go with Nicholas.
Yeah.
Okay, do you think this is linear right here? Number 18?
Yeah,
Why? You are correct. Why?
because it isn't x squared or x cubed
Yeah, it
or
just has
anything like
one,
that.
just has one x. Very good. Okay, let's go with let's see. Rosa can't talk. Looks like a lot of people left. Crystal Ayapatakal. Crystal. Crystal, I'm going to mark you absent if you don't answer. Yes, Crystal. Can you talk, Crystal? Crystal, can you talk? Yes, you can talk. Okay, Crystal, then talk. Crystal. Crystal. I can't even see you. Are you there? My dad is speaking to me. Okay, well, can your dad let you answer the question in class? Hey, Crystal, how long will you need? I'll get back to you. Crystal? Crystal, I'm going to get you on the next problem, okay? Let's see. Let's go with Crystal Magallanes.
Yeah.
All right. Get back to me. I can't talk right now. I'll get back to you, Crystal, if I can talk. Okay, Crystal Magallanes. Okay, tell me if you think this is a linear or nonlinear function. Ready?
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, number 9. Is this linear or not linear? Just give it a shot. Linear or not linear? Do you think it's linear? Yes or no?
Which number?
Number 19, the one I highlighted. Can you see it? Am I presenting?
Yeah, I could see it.
Okay, what do you think? Is that linear or not?
Not.
Ooh, try again.
Linear.
Yes, because there's only one x. Do you see the only one x there?
Yeah,
So
it's
it's
just
not.
because I saw the exponent. That's why.
Oh, I see what you're saying. But that's a good point. But that is not on the x.
Okay.
Okay, it's this one right here. Very good. Good observation. Thanks for bringing that up because that threw me off a little bit there too. Okay, let's go with Daniel Mejia. What about number 20? What do you think?
Non.
Non-linear, correct. Why?
I don't know.
Well, how many x's do you see?
2.
2 x's means it's not linear, unless you're adding them. Okay. All right. I think that's enough. We're going to stop at 21. We'll continue this tomorrow. Okay. You guys don't have any homework tonight. Sorry about the messed up, laggy day. You guys were great. And then Krista, I have to call. If you can stay, I'll talk to you. That'd be great. Everyone else, you guys can go. You guys can go. Okay. David Guzman. I'll see you guys. You guys can go. All right, Angelina. Bye, Andy. Bye, Tali. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Crystal. Bye, Edgar. Bye, Antonio.
Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Sanchez,
Yeah.
you think you could help me on finding like where I can go on like the math book and I can go to the questions? Because I emailed you
Yeah,
that yesterday.
Absolutely. I absolutely can do that. Okay. All right. Yeah, if you guys have questions, you can stay. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Rosie. All right. Crystal, can you talk now? Alberto, can I mark you here? Let me take a look, Alberto.
When are you gonna post the recordings?
I didn't post yesterday's, did I?
No.
I'll get it after this.
Okay.
So I will do it. No, I'll do it within the hour. Okay. Let's see. Okay, someone wanted me to do roll here. Let me open up my. What were you looking at, Noel? What did you need?
You already left the meeting.
Oh, okay. I think Alberto needed me to mark him here. Okay, Alberto. Alberto, why are you late? Before I mark you here.
Internet problems.
Internet problems. Woo! So was I. Okay. All right. Devin, do you have a question? Alberto, I marked you here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Devin.
Yeah, I was wondering how we get to the book to like find the problems.
Oh, didn't David ask that or did you ask that?
No, I
didn't
did.
know- sorry, I didn't hear that. I was wondering how you get to the book too.
You both were asking that? David, were you
Yeah.
asking that? Okay, cool. I'll show you both how to do it. No, it's okay. That's great that you both have the same question. Okay. Here we go. First, it's the self-practice on the modules. Do you know how to get to the modules, Devin?
Yeah, now to get there.
Okay, cool. So here we go. Can you guys see it? David, can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So go to modules. Well, first of all, they should be here. See 3.1 self-practice?
Is it 3.2 for today and 3.1 for yesterday?
Yes, yes.
All right.
And 3.2 self-practice. And so you can do it there, or you can go here on modules. Anything that's self-practice is what you have to do because you got to self-practice it. 3.1 self-practice 2. See that right there? And
Was so practice 2 from yesterday?
that's for 3.1 self-practice 2. That was yesterday's.
Okay.
And then 3.2 self-practice 2 is today's.
That's
But
it.
we're going to continue this tomorrow. We're going to continue it tomorrow. So
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
you're welcome. Okay. All right, Crystal, are you there?
All right, later, Sensei.
All right, David. Crystal, can you talk? Oh, can you talk, Crystal?
Okay, yeah, I can now. Sorry. It's because
Okay.
my dad, he wasn't speaking to me, but my parents are arguing really loud right now. Like, when you
Okay.
guys see that, and I
Okay.
don't want to turn on the camera.
Okay.
I'm
I
sorry.
get it. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know.
No, you're fine. It finished like about a couple minutes ago, like when I went to the room right now, like after class. But I still wanted to